Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the payment method in the Ionity application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the payments button. And then click on the credit card button. So first you have to provide your card number, the expiry date, and the CVC or CVV, which is a 3-digit number on the back of your card. And lastly, you need to put the name that's on the card, and then just click on the submit button and the card is added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.